Hello everyone, my name is Ben Stevenson. This year for my project, I joined the Joyful Heart Foundation that was originally formed by Mariska Hargitay from Law and Order Special Victims Unit. By joining, I was able to become a volunteer advocate with their organization, and this year their focus was to obtain letters that helped provide awareness and information on the cost of rape kits for individual offices and departments and sheriff's agencies across the U.S. Generally, for one rape kit just to be processed, it costs anywhere from $2,000 to $3,000, and then from there it has to be processed, studied, and taken into evidence, and a lot of times it sits in evidence in certain areas. Certainly it's not true for all areas, but in some of the larger areas especially, those kits can sit in a warehouse and they could get moldy or destroyed before they're even able to prosecute the person in court. So when they go to get the evidence is then destroyed and they have to dismiss the case. So what they are hoping to do with these letters is to get the state, each individual state, to pay for the cost, prosecution, and timely manner of rape kits in order for the victims and survivors to receive justice for, and a sense of closure for what they went through. So in order to do that, I created a Facebook page titled Rape Crisis Intervention Awareness. Here I was able to ask for different people and letters, to send letters and to share and educate people about the Joyful Heart Foundation and some of the things that they have. I also emailed advocate agencies across the United States to try and get them to send me a letter. I would send an example letter for them to look at and view in the hopes that they would send me a letter. Sadly, I was only able to receive one other letter from an outside state. It was from Atlanta, Georgia, an advocate agency there. But as a result of my project, through writing multiple emails, answering questions and concerns on my Facebook group, answering instant messages, just reaching out to people, we were able to obtain a total of 62 letters, which those 62 letters, because each person was only asked to write one letter, but each letter gets copied 3 times and gets sent to each body. So one will go to the governor, one will go to the state house, the House of Representatives, and the other will go to the state senators. So after receiving those 62 letters, we times those by 3, so we got a total of 186 letters. And after I've saved all those in PDF copies, and they are being sent to the foundation for them to add to their database so they can send these all out in a mass amount at the end of the year, with not only my letters but all the other letters that they have obtained over all of 2016. But something cool that I realized was, yes, it got times by 3 to go to our individual state, making it 186 letters, but then that number will be times by 49, including all of the other states that will be going to. So in total, we were able to get 9,114 letters. So that was pretty cool to me, how 62 letters could turn into 9,114. So, I really hope that this goes somewhere. I hope that it's able to make a change, that those working in those type of law-creating bodies can see that and make that difference. It will not only save individual sheriff's offices and things like that money for their budget, but it will also give them more money to more fully investigate the things that they need to do in order to find real closure for the victims of these circumstances, and it is my hope that these letters will be able to do something about that. I really am happy about this project. It was not easy. I'm glad I started early, because it took a lot longer than I thought it would. But I hope that you are all able to find some joy and some accomplishment in the projects that you did in helping others and serving those that are victims of crimes. And I wish good luck to all of you and all of your future endeavors. Thank you for your time.